Alright, so what's up guys, and today in front of me I have the iPhone SE 3, or some may call it the iPhone SE 2022 edition. But yeah, this is the all new iPhone SE in the midnight color, and this color is basically black but with a slight tint of dark blue. So in the correct lighting you can clearly see that this is actually a blue phone as well. So yeah, this is the iPhone SE and I've been using this for almost 24 hours now, and I've got a few impressions to give you guys on how the performance is, how the battery is, how it is compared to the previous SE or the iPhone 8 and so on. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So for this specific video, I thought I would just skip over the unboxing because all you get in the box is a single cable and a few documents that you probably won't read at all. So that is all you get. So I thought why not just skip to the initial impressions and tell you guys how good or how bad the phone actually is. But before we get into the video, I wanted to thank Anchor for sponsoring this video. They have a couple of new products coming in and they wanted me to check their new products out. So here we go. And also I'm going to be giving some of the products away because I don't need so many chargers over here. So yeah, stay tuned till the very end to know how to enter in this giveaway, and I'll be definitely giving some of this away to you guys who are in the US only. I can't ship it elsewhere because it'll cost me like a bunch of money. So as you can see, these are the new chargers. This one is the Anker 511 charger Nano Pro, and this is the Anker 521 charger Nano Pro. So first we'll be talking about the 511 Nano Pro. This charger is direct competition to the Apple's 5-watt charger, which is right over here. And as you can see, it has a similar size, but it packs a lot of power. This Anker charger is like 3 times faster than the 5-watt charger that Apple provides in the box, and will charge your iPhone 11, 12 or 13 Pro from like 0 to 20 in just 12 minutes or so. So that's like a lot of power, and will charge your iPhone 8 from 0 to 50 in just 26 minutes. So if it's gonna charge the iPhone 8 in 0 to 50 like in 26 minutes, I bet that it will also charge the iPhone SE, the new SE, with the same speed as well. So you're looking at 0 to 50 in just like 26 minutes. So that's like a lot of power. And with that power, you might think it costs more, but actually it only costs like 20 bucks. But you can also find some good deals on Amazon as well. So this one comes in like 5 colors. The Arctic White, we also have the black color, we have Cool Lavender, I think one is the Cool Lavender, we have Glacier Blue and Powder Pink. And now let's move on to the big dog, which is the Anker 521 charger, the Nano Pro as well. This packs in like crazy power. It is similar in size to the Apple's 20-watt adapter, but this one packs in like 40 watts in it. There you go. As you can see, this is the Apple's adapter, and I think Apple's is like a bit bigger as well, as you can see. And this one only has 20 watts. This one in fact packs 40 watts of power. It has like dual ports over here, so you can charge your iPhone, your iPad, your MacBook at the same times. So you don't have to worry about cluttering your outlets with like multiple chargers or so. You can just buy one of this and you can put 2 cables, which will eventually charge your devices faster. So basically this is the Anker family for this year. This is the 511 charger Nano Pro. This is the 521 charger Nano Pro. So the 521 charger Pro is an upgraded version of the 511 charger Pro. And again, as I said, it supports 40 watt max output, which basically offers enough charge or enough power to charge your MacBook Air at full speed with a single port. So if you have a MacBook Air, just bring this charger with you and you're all set. So now let's keep them aside and let's focus on the iPhone SE. So there we go. We're back on the iPhone SE. And yeah, as I said, I've been using this for around 24 hours now, on and off. And my overall experience has been pretty great. So first things first, you guys need to know that the demographic of people using or buying the new iPhone SE 3 are people who are used to the iPhone 8 or the iPhone 7 or even behind that, or people having the iPhone SE 2. They don't really care about the 120 Hz refresh rate, they don't really care about bigger displays, they don't really care about the bigger battery as well. They just want a phone that works. So the iPhone SE3 is basically the iPhone 8 and the iPhone 13. So it is a combination of both the devices with the body of the iPhone 8 and the performance of the iPhone 13. So it basically has the chip or the performance of the iPhone 13 and it has the body of the iPhone 8. It has the battery of the iPhone 8 and it has the camera of the iPhone 13. So it's basically a combination of both the devices merged into one. That is what an SE is, a special edition. But this year I don't think it's a special edition. This year I think it's a savings edition, because you're just saving money buying the older design with the newer performance. So the very first thing people ask me is how the battery life is on the newer phone. So right now I can't really comment on the battery life because it's like been just 24 hours, not even 24 hours, a little less than 24 hours, and the battery takes like 2 to 3 days for it to optimize and it to work well. So that will be covered in the full review, but right now I can just say that with the optimization of the A15 chip, the battery life is actually really good. I think it will last you an hour more than the iPhone 8 or the iPhone SE 2. But if you are a gamer, if you play games on your iPhone, then this definitely won't last you for long. So if you want to play games, just buy the newer version, the iPhone 13 or the 13 Pro, and you'll be set. So let's just focus on the iPhone SE3 and how it is. So as I said, I've been using this phone for the past day or so, and overall I think this phone is not for me. Like, I am used to my iPhone 13 Pro, and if you're someone who wants a bigger display, a bigger battery, just go for the 13 Pro. But if you're someone who wants a bigger display with a smaller form factor, I would suggest go for the iPhone 13 mini and you will be all set. But if you're someone who just wants a phone to work, just buy the iPhone SE and you're all set. So for the past couple of hours or a day, this phone has been really great. As you can see, the camera and everything opens really quick. I have seen no lag whatsoever on this phone, and it actually just works really fine. The multitasking is great as well. It opens app really quick, and now you also have an extra gig of RAM than the one on the iPhone 8 or the SE2. So the performance will be no issues at all. So what I'll do now, just for a comparison's sake, I'll just open and see how quick the apps are on the iPhone SE3. So everything is clear from both the phones. Let's quickly open the calendar first. There we go. It opened really quick on the iPhone SE3. Let's quickly open phone. Again, as you can see, it was quicker on the SE3. Camera as well. There we go, quicker on the SE3. So the overall performance is like really fast. Again, on the settings, there we go. It was like instant on the SE3 than the iPhone 8. Even when scrolling the home screen, I can just look at the animations and see how smooth it is. But on my iPhone 8, it lags a bit. So yeah, it really is an upgrade on the performance, and I honestly have zero complaints on the performance side of this particular phone. If you can game on this phone if you want, but it's just that you have to be careful about the battery life, because if you game a lot, I'm sure that the battery life won't last you as much as it will if you don't game on the phone. So the next thing is, let's talk about the cameras. So if I go down real quick, this one has an upgraded camera as well, which is similar on the iPhone 13 and the 13 Pro. So the iPhone SE only has a single camera, but the camera it has is the one on the iPhone 13 and the 13 Pro. So if I go into camera real quick, if I go into video, as you can see, we have 4K 30, 4K 60 as well. So if I just quickly go into camera, and if I go into video, as you can see, it says 4K at 30, 4K at 60. You can switch that to 24 as well. So what I'll do now is I'll click pictures from the SE3 and the iPhone 13 Pro, and I'll put up on the screen unedited, untouched whatsoever, and you guys be the judge on how the picture quality actually is on the iPhone SE3 and how it compares to the iPhone 13 and the 13 Pro. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Everything else will be covered in the full review. So make sure you tune in and subscribe to my channel for that if you want to see on how the phone actually performs. So yeah, for now that is pretty much it. If you have any questions regarding this phone, put them down in the comment section and I'll definitely be replying to you guys once the video is out. So for the giveaway now, for the Anker 511 and the Anker 512 charger Nano Pro, if you want to enter into the giveaway, I have around 7 products over here. So 3 Anker 512 charger Nano Pro, 3 Anker 511 charger Nano Pro, and this is also the 511 charger Nano Pro. So all you do is follow me on Instagram and leave a comment down in the comment section of your Instagram username, and today's date is March 19th. So what I'll do, in a week I'll be selecting random people from the comment section and I'll be DMing you on Instagram, so stay tuned for that. Also, this giveaway is US only, so I will not be shipping elsewhere. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That is basically it for the iPhone SE3. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.